The truth is, we really don't know that much about the very first domestication of coffee. There are a few legends, however, that explain the first discovery of coffee by the people of Ethiopia. The most popular is that of Kaldi and the dancing goats. Kaldi was a goat herd and he had a pretty cushy job. He would just follow his herd around all day and call them in at night. Apparently they were pretty well behaved and they just came in whenever he called. One night, however, Kaldi, no matter how much he called, no matter how loud he screamed, he could not get his goats to return. He made his way into the woods to search for them, and he found them there nibbling on berries and leaves from an unfamiliar plant. And between bites they would prance and frolic and dance around. Seeing this behavior, Kaldi tested a berry himself. He felt energized, alive, like dancing. There is another story of the civet cat that carried the berries from Central Africa to the remote mountains of Ethiopia and planted the seeds there. Here it was cultivated for the first time by the Gala tribe. Now, the civet is the animal that eats coffee naturally in the wild, and today the beans are recovered from their feces and used to make a really expensive coffee luwak, which is supposed to be less bitter and whatnot. Since coffee has been around for so long, much of the history is undocumented, but these oral traditions show that coffee has its roots in Africa.